tree of heaven, Ailanthus altissima in the Samarubaceae, the quassia family. It has one of the most distinctive leaves of any tree. This is one leaf, pinnately compound, consisting of numerous leaflets that when you crush them have a fairly unpleasant smell. And if you look very closely at the base of each leaflet, you'll see a little dot or a gland which separates it readily from walnuts and other species with pinnately compound leaves. The tree of heaven is dioecious, meaning that male and female sexes are on separate trees. The female trees produce a really distinct twisted samara that has a seed in the center of each samara, and those are wind dispersed. The male trees have a very unpleasant smell during peak flowering. It smells a lot like cat urine. So either way, there are a lot of issues about this tree. It's a tremendous root sucker. It's highly invasive, naturalized from China. It does tolerate some of the most ungodly conditions you could imagine anywhere in the eastern United States. But other than those rare places, this tree probably shouldn't be planted. It is a very aggressive tree. It gets to be rather large. The bark with maturity stays relatively smooth. If anything, it looks a lot like the American beech. And when you carve into the bark, you get that same distinctive smell if you carve into a furrow that you'll get if you crush the leaves. So it gets very large quickly. It's one of the fastest growing trees in the world. The tree of heaven, Ailanthus altissima.